We are underwriters laboratory and we do certification of water related all components, water treatment chemicals, water purifier, bottled water. We generally do the safety. So when you use any component, the efficiency is one part and other part is the toxicity. Is it releasing any toxic chemicals to the water is tested, and we certify means it is safe to use in drinking water.
Joseph
of
Living Water. We have here on display a product which meets the standards of water regulations which are now coming up. Basically it uses a membrane bioreactor known as an MBR. What you're now looking at is a demonstration of using the MBR in a wastewater treatment plant. The membrane is an ultrafiltration membrane. The water flows from outside to inside. This is the direction of flow of water. It goes in this direction and it collects into the hollow of the fiber. It's a hollow fiber. So all the hollows are terminated into this container at this end. So the water which is collected here is drawn through this pipe by a pump.
Do you see much of a market for residential customers?
Yes, with the need with the cost of water going up, availability of raw water being less, there is definitely a necessity to recycle the water. So in residential buildings, large complexes, they are using MBRs to use this water for flushing, gardening and for car washing.
So in Bangalore, for example, how many residential MBR systems are in place today, you think?
We have about 5 projects in Bangalore. 3 of them are already running. One of them is running for more than a year. We see the future will be towards MBR because there's a lot of conservation of water.
My name is Samir Jani. I represent CNA Corp India Private Limited. They have introduced first ever waterless urinals which operates without cartridges, chemicals, and it's a no recurring cost basically product. The technology is basically it's a hybrid product. It's a combination of mechanical engineering and a chemical engineering. And because of its mechanical engineering, it has got the NRV. Principally, it operates on the NRV, which stands for non-returning valve. Okay, down below this. Okay, there's an NRV. Doesn't allow the order to come back. So that's the first important thing which operates on a mechanical engineering. Coming to the second part, chemical engineering, it has been given a silver nano coating. Silver nano coating makes the entire urinal pot completely antibacterial, anti-stain. In Delhi Municipal Corporation has already installed 3,000 such urinals across Delhi. So as a part of the routine, this thing, 3,000 urinals have been installed all over the Delhi right now. It's running successfully.
Your textile, this plexiglass. This is plexiglass just here for some purpose. But what happens is that the water will go out, percolate. Okay, so you have a huge volume. Whenever the rain is coming, you will fill the tank and then slowly will percolate and recharge. Or we put geomembrane. Okay, this is a PE geomembrane which is wrapped around welded. Water will come inside and stay. Normally, first part of the tank is storage tank, and then you have an overflow, and you have the percolation part. Because you cannot store all the water, you want to have some percolation part. Okay. Instead of going for the, let's say,
Yeah.
This is mini sewage treatment plant. In this treat 1,000 liters of water per day. First of all, we just seeing the first chamber, which is Eco-Bio block chamber 1. The Eco-Bio block is fixed inside. So what is this Eco-Bio block do? This is made up of volcanic rocks. What happens is it emits bacteria and it takes place of the BOD COD in the first chamber. In next chamber, we are going to the clarifier, where we keep plate settlers and tube settlers, and to reduce total suspended solids. And after that, again we are going to chamber 2, which is aeration chamber 2, which is also having Eco-Bio blocks, which is used to reduce COD, BOD, and TSS. And next we are moving to the settling tank, where the solid particles will settle, and then to the filters. So actually, what is the advantage of this Eco-Bio block? This Eco-Bio block sewage treatment plant is because of the Eco-Bio block, the oxygen transfer ratio is very less. It's 1/10 of the conventional system. So 3 to 4 hours retention time for this system to operate. So the system is very compact, and after this, the COD and BOD detection will be 95 to 98%. No monitoring of MLSs and no recycling of sludges required for this system. So it is a very compact and effective system for future.
Now this is different shapes of blocks which is being manufactured and imported from Japan. The green block is good in treating algae present in water. It's good in treating. This is for sewage. We take raw material, that is sand is taken from Mount Fuji, Japan. So we take the raw material from there and we crush it into powder, make it into small particles as you can see here, these small particles. And what we do is we infuse 20 types of bacteria in this process, and with good cement and water conditions, we give it different shapes like this. That volcanic rock is rich in minerals, which is a natural food for bacteria. So once if the wastewater is not available, the bacteria will take food that is present in the block itself and will make it survival. This is what the big thing is special about volcanic lava.